Hello, let's go and check out the recipe for the most delicious chicken tahchin together. It's a crowd-pleasing and incredibly tasty dish that, if you try it just once, will become a regular on your table. First, place a whole chicken breast in a suitable pot and season it with spices. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric, potato powder, and black pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of curry powder as well. The amount of spices is completely up to your taste. Now, add a peeled onion. Then add boiling water. Close the lid of the pot and turn the heat up fairly high so the water comes to a boil faster. Once the water in the pot starts boiling, lower the heat. I also added 2 sticks of cinnamon. Close the lid of the pot again and let it cook on low heat for 40 minutes to an hour. After the specified time, take the cooked chicken out of the pot and shred it. Next, put some butter or ghee in a small saucepan or pot. Add 4 tablespoons of barberries that you've soaked in water for at least half an hour and sauté them for 2 minutes. Add a teaspoon of sugar and wait for it to dissolve. If you like, add a tablespoon of rose water and then turn off the heat completely. Next, pour a little oil into a suitable pan. Add 1 finely chopped onion and sauté until golden. Then add the shredded chicken breast and sauté it. Now add a tablespoon of butter or ghee to enhance the flavor of the tahchin filling, although this step is optional. Next, it's time for the spices. Add a pinch of turmeric, black pepper, and if you like, a pinch of cardamom powder and cinnamon powder as well. These will give your tahchin an amazing aroma. There's no need to add salt anymore, since we cooked the chicken with salt. Next, add some brewed saffron and mix it in. And finally add the sautéed barberries and sauté for another minute. Then turn off the heat, and your tahchin filling is ready. For the saffron layer of the tahchin, crack 2 egg yolks into a deep, suitable bowl and whisk them until smooth. You need 1 egg yolk for every cup of rice. I used 2 cups of rice, so I'm using 2 egg yolks as well. After the eggs are smooth, add 4 heaping tablespoons of yogurt, again for each cup of rice. So, that means you need 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Add a heaping teaspoon of salt and 4 tablespoons of brewed saffron. This is the main secret to your tahchin. Mix it all together until it's completely blended. Finally, pour in 1/3 cup of vegetable oil and mix again. It should be completely smooth, just like you see in the video. Put a pot of water on the heat and bring it to a boil. Then add 2 French-style mugfuls of rice that you've soaked in salted water for a few hours. Drain the rice while it's still a bit firm. For tahchin, the rice should be drained while it's firmer than usual. Mix the drained rice with the egg and yogurt mixture. Choosing the right pot is key for making tahchin. Don't use aluminum or steel pots. You need to use non-stick pots. The bottom of the pot should be suitable. Pour a little oil and use a brush to grease the bottom and sides of the pot so your tahchin will come out easily after it's done. Pour half of the rice mixture into the pot. Press it down and smooth out the surface. Add the chicken filling you prepared earlier, and try to pour it in the center of the pot so it doesn't touch the sides and burn. Then add the rest of the rice mixture. Again, press it down and smooth out the surface. Place a damp, steam cloth on the lid of the pot and put the pot over relatively high heat. Let it stay on high heat for just 2 minutes so that the bottom of your tahchin gets crispy and golden, and the steam rises to the top. After 2 minutes, be sure to lower the heat and let it cook on low heat for 45 minutes to 1 hour on a suitable burner. After the mentioned time, flip it onto your desired serving dish. It comes out easily, and you can decorate it with anything you like. I sincerely hope that you thoroughly enjoyed watching this video presentation as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. I would genuinely appreciate it immensely if you would consider following my channel and choosing to stay connected with me for future content and updates.